Hi friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account on the ProBit Exchange. In the previous video, we showed you how to register on this exchange, and now we're going to verify the account. So, the first time you log into your account after registering, you'll see the Verify Account option at the top of the page. If you don't see this message, you can go to the My Page section and click on the Verification option. Now, on the verification page, click on the Verify Now button. A new page will open for you where you need to complete the verification process. You can complete the verification either using your computer or your mobile phone. There are 3 steps where you need to provide your personal information, identification documents, and a liveness check. Click on the Verify on this device option. In the next step, you need to select your country of residence from 2 options, all countries except the USA or the USA. On the next page, you'll answer questions such as your nationality, first name, last name, date of birth, and country of residence. After answering these questions, click on the Continue option. On the following page, you will select the issuing country and your identification document. For this section, you can use your passport, driver's license, ID card, or residence permit. Now, at this stage, you need to upload a photo of your identification document. You can either scan your ID using your device's camera, or upload an image file of your ID by selecting the Upload Document option. On this page, you need to upload images of both the front and back of your identification document, and then click on Continue. In the next step, you need to do a full scan of your face. After clicking on Continue, your device's camera will be activated. You need to position your face in the center of the camera, and then by turning your head, your face will be fully scanned. After your face is fully scanned, your personal information will be processed, and after a few minutes, your profile will be successfully verified. Now you can return to your exchange page, and in the verification section, you'll see that your profile has been successfully verified. That was the tutorial on how to verify your account on the ProBit Exchange. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.